want to download your past year's ITRs on the new portal? We get many inquiries regarding how you can download your ITR that you have just filed or ITR of past years. In this video, we will show you through a live demonstration how you can view and download your past file ITRs in just few minutes. Hello and welcome. I'm Jyoti Arora, a tax expert from Clear. As you know, Clear is India's largest tax and financial services platform where we have served more than 6 million plus return filers. But before we begin, I have an exciting announcement for you. We have a free giveaway for our new subscribers, which is a comprehensive guide for income tax returns for financial year 2021 that will help you with basic doubts you may have about return filing. To claim it, subscribe to our channel. You will find the link in the description box below. So now let's start and see the live demo. Please log on to www.incometax.gov.in portal. A landing page will appear in front of you. Now click on login button from the right hand corner. Enter your user ID, which is usually PAN, and click on continue. Now remember to select the checkbox and enter your password and then click on continue to proceed. A dashboard landing page of your login account will appear. From the top menu bar, select on e-file option and two drop-downs will appear: income tax returns and income tax forms. Hover your cursor on the first option, that is income tax return, and a further drop-down will appear in front of you. From here, select view file returns. Now a screen will appear with all the details of your past returns filed assessment wise. Here you can see the details of assessment year 2021, 2019-20, and likewise all previous assessment years. Also, you will be able to download your PDF ITR form, ITR receipt, which is ITR 5 acknowledgement, as well as XML ITR form. Now, if you have filed your return of the current year and it is not appearing in this screen, then you can go back to your dashboard and you can see the details of your return file under this option, recent filed returns. So as you saw, it is as simple as this. It just takes less than a minute to download and view your ITRs. Hope you understood the process, how you can download your ITR. If yes, then please type clear in the comment section below. Now, as we know that the return filing due date is just few days away and you must not wait till the end. File your return on time before 31st of December to avoid last minute hassle. Also, if you have traded in stocks and have incurred gains or either losses, then the return filing gets a bit more complicated. But Clear is at your rescue. You can avail Clear's assisted e-filing services offered by our experts at very nominal rates. Our experts will take care of your return filing end to end. To avail these services, go and check the link in the description box below. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, then please ask us in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do not forget to claim the free gift by subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more such updates. Take care and goodbye.